Oh my gosh. Hey guys, we're doing another video, and today we are playing. Wait.
No need to check me out, friend. I know I'm handsome.
Alright, anyways, let's redo the intro. Hey guys, we're doing another video, and today we are playing Will You Press the Button? I watched YouTubers play this game, basically only Dan TDM and, basically only Dan TDM. And, yeah, so, wait, what happens if you press add clip? Oh. Hold on, I want to do something. Wait. Oh, let's first play the game because I have no idea what to do on this. We'll do this at the end of the video. Play. Alright. You become an expert of anything you want, but your head becomes a normally go. Ha! Your hair changes color every day. Every day you get. What is so bad about that? Every day you get Yes, please. What? Wait, did I read that wrong? You can have anything you want for free. Everyone will hate you for having so much stuff. Well, you get a lot of stuff, so I am doing horrible. Your crush likes you, and no one else does. No thanks. I don't have a crush anymore. People compliment you a lot more. People talk behind your back a lot more. Dude, yeah. What? No. No. Okay. You gain thousands of friends in Facebook. You had no please. Oh my gosh. Everyone believes your lies. You can never tell the truth when you really want to. Wait, hold on. Stop everything. If you were telling, if everyone believes your lies, but everyone will believe your lies, so it's basically the truth. What? Okay, you know what? Get me out of here. Let's add a question. You can live for. Wait, hold on. You will be the greatest gamer in the world, but you won't be you won't wait, hold on. Okay, got one. You will only live. You will only live. I'm sorry, guys. Live for 16 years. Next. There we go. And get over that. Add it. Question submitted. Alright, well, I'm done, right? Okay, let's go. You can play any song. Wait, it's still going. Okay. You can play any song. You can play any song on any instrument perfectly. You are the only one who can hear it when you play. No. That was close. You can fly really fast. Every 20 minutes, your flying ability becomes disabled. Well, if you have a watch, then you can time it. Oh yeah, boy. You can control most of your dreams. 1 out of 10 times, you will have no control, and it will be a terrible nightmare. Well, it's not real, so yeah. You can. Well, hold on. I was gonna explain this in a different video, but since we're doing this right, was gonna explain this in a different video, but now since we're coming to the dreaming things, I had this weird dream that I got killed, but in this, I had it again. So I was like, wait a minute, no, you're just gonna kill me. So then I just woke up. I was good. So you could save lives by loving those who need love the most. It usually the people who deserve it. I don't know what that means. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna make another question. Hold on, I don't want you. So I put you can make your dreams come true. If it's bad, that will also be true. I just noticed that rhymes. Okay. What is settings? I'm gonna do one more question, you guys. The purpose in life is revealed to you. It's now twice as hard as... No, I hate hard things. Oh, dang. You write the best novel ever. You'll never be able to create a story again. I'm actually not sure about this one. Alright, that's gonna be it for today, guys. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to slam that subscribe button or just slam the like. I don't know, just subscribe and see you guys later. Bye.